In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add money from debit card to Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a debit card, you can add balance to your Cash App wallet. So to do this, first you will have to link your debit card or a bank account. So open Cash App, tap on your profile, usually at the top right corner of the screen, and once you go to your account page, access linked banks. So this option here between favorites and my family. So scroll down until you see linked banks, and inside you will see all of the accounts that you have linked, and you will see the options to link a new bank account or a new credit card. If you see debit card directly, that is also going to work, but if you don't, just choose link bank instead. Once you choose link bank, you will have to select your financial institution. Don't worry if you cannot find a specific one here, or if you just want to use a debit card to begin with, there will be a button at the bottom of the screen, so you just scroll all the way down and it's going to give you the option to add a bank account using your debit card, like this. So now you can input the debit card number, the expiration date, the CVV, which is the security code, and a zip code for your area. So input all of these details. The CVV will usually be found at the back of the card, while the debit card number and the expiry date will usually be close to each other, above or below. Then choose the option to link the card. It is going to go through a quick verification process, and if it is valid, it will appear under your account. So now you can go over to the Money tab, and on the Money tab, you will see your balance. Right underneath it, you will see Add Cash. So tap this option to add money, specify the amount that you want to add, so you have some preset values like $10, $25, $50, $100, $200, or you can tap these three dots to customize this. Then choose the option to add. You will have to confirm that you are using that card, and you will see this message. You added the value that you selected to your Cash App account. So you can now repeat this process as many times as you wish, as long as you have a debit card link under linked banks. I hope I was able to help you on how to add money from debit card to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.